Hi guys, welcome to the Mindset Forex channel. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your Bitcoin from Binance to Smart Exchange or metamask. And I will show you how you can pay the minimum withdrawal fees, like it is almost less than $1. If you don't have a Binance account, what you have to do is go to see more in my video and click on a Binance Join link. Then this page will open. Enter your email address, your password, and make sure your referral ID or your smart ID, Binance ID is this. Your referral ID must be this. You can also make account from mobile, and you have to make sure your referral ID is this. So guys, if you go on to the Binance, if you go to the Binance fee, crypto fee, you will see the cost or charges they will charge us on each withdraw, the minimum withdraw and the fees. So if you look at the BTC, if you transfer your coins from BEP2, the minimum withdrawals is 0.001 and the deposit is free, but they will charge us 0.00005 their fees. So the BP2 fees is very less. If we go to the BP220, the Binance Smart Contract change, their withdrawal fees is also 0.55. But if you withdraw your Bitcoin through BTC blockchain or Ethereum, they will cost us like 0.05 and 0.56. Normally, people do these two things, BTC and ERC20, and they will cost us almost $50 or $60 to withdraw, even they are withdrawing their smaller amount. So in this video I will show you how you can withdraw your Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet with the minimum fees. I almost say the fee will be less than $1. So let's go to the video. Now you have to go to the Binance and click on the wallet, and you can see your assets here. Make sure it is a spot wallet. Now we are withdrawing BTC, so we click on the BTC and then we click on withdrawal. Now we have to paste our destination address here, so we go to the Trust Wallet and we will add the network of Smart Chain. We click on the like this and we will paste BTC BP2. Now we click on the receipt and we will copy the address. Now if you click on your Binance and you can paste your address here, you will see the network is automatically added. We need no memo here. You can also look into your Trust Wallet that no memo required. I transferred the Bitcoin into my Trust Wallet and it cost me less than $1. You can see the fees network is 0.03. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if any investor looking for the business plan in crypto and Forex, you can contact me on my Telegram. You can see my Telegram channel on the screen. Stay safe. God bless you.